Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Smart affiliate marketing advertising. Affiliate marketing is really about the promotion of products with an online company. The affiliate will sign up with the advertiser or marketing arm of the company, then the affiliate will become an active looker of clients. Advertising is the means to making a great number of consumers aware of certain products. Therefore, advertising should be both attractive and appealing to consumers. If the advertising isn't appealing enough, it won't be effective. If the advertising manages to pull the attention of consumers, then it's considered to be powerful. To make advertising powerful and effective, the affiliate must use smart methods of advertising. An example of smart advertising is the reuse of one key concept of affiliate marketing: the harnessing of human resources. What this means, is that an affiliate may tap on the capacities of others to bring more visitors to the website. The economics involved in making an affiliate marketing program beneficial can be simple, yet unquestionable. Say for instance, when a visitor ups a form to the website of the affiliate may be earning 0.50 cent from the company that he's promoting. In a single day, he may refer 10 visitors, which is equivalent to 5.00. Keep in mind, the affiliate may increase his income by utilizing others as well. The more people an affiliate manages to recruit or get to make purchases or fill out forms, the more money that affiliate will make. To have a significant increase in income in affiliate marketing, an affiliate can actually do three things. First of all, the affiliate must search for a profitable site. Next, he'll need to link with companies that are generous with their leads. Last, the affiliate will need to locate a progressive and rising company online, then recruit affiliates for the company. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net